Well, hello there, YouTube. It is April 25th, and it stopped raining. We've had a lot of rain. I see the water draining out of my yard on this side. But I mowed Thursday, and we have so much rain it needs it again. So I can't do it because it's too wet. So I'm out for a ride on the Spyder. It's a nice day. It's 75 degrees. Got the Spyder out and had to go top it off. Nope. There we go. Yeah, my yard needs mowed again. I just mowed it. Well, it does not too bad yet. But you can see how the water just drains. Look at it, it's coming out of the yard right here. Comes out of the yard up there because it's just got to go somewhere. It's looking good though. That's Palisades zoysia. It grows in the shade. Bermuda doesn't grow in the shade. You can see that. And up here it doesn't grow. It grows good in the sun. Doesn't grow in the shade. So I got the expensive Palisades zoysia installed years ago. And it grows in the shade. And it grows beautiful in the shade. It's a nice grass. These people did some awesome landscaping. There's big pots and plants and walls. It looks great. I hope it's not going to rain. I'm not going to go far, I guess. Take my loop. This thing keeps shutting off or whatever it does. It resets. I didn't upgrade it. It always does it at the worst possible time if I'm traveling anywhere. And then it resets to this big ugly screen again. Here we go. And go up the street and get some gas. I know it's going to be more expensive. I think it's $2.39 at Walmart in Greenville and oh, the grocery store up there. But I don't want to go all the way up there. It's crazy to get on that freeway. We got to go 6 miles up the road to get on. It's nuts how they screwed everything up. Got to go all up to Greenville to get on the if I wanted to get on the freeway. $8 miles. Well, probably got to go 6 miles to get on the freeway. They really know how to screw up roads here. Well, I put on my Hero 11 Black just so I could use this remote. So I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. This is the road I was on the Goldwing, and it's got a crown. Watch how this Spyder kind of darts all over the place. There, see, you can't. There's no riding position in this on these crowned roads. The front wheels don't reach on either side of where the car tires are, so you're kind of darting all over the place, which is kind of disconcerting, especially on a Spyder. On a good road, oh geez, look at there. On a good road, it does good. But on these crown roads, it's awful. You gotta just really pay attention on the Spyder, because it'll throw you over in the next lane or off to the road. That's the only thing I don't like about the Spyder, is on bad roads, it does bad. I don't know anybody to put even a new stabilizer bar on it that'd do any good on these kinds of roads. I love my Spyder, but I hate crowned roads riding this thing, because it's dangerous as hell if you're not paying attention. This road's probably one of the worst. If I had to ride 100 miles on this, I don't think I'd ride it. But I just topped off. The gas has gone down a little bit up here. It was $2.76 and now it's $2.47. So I bet Walmart's even cheaper than $2.39 now. So it is kind of dropping, which is good. And I've never put premium gas in this thing ever. And I got over 27,000 miles on it. I've always put just regular unleaded gas in it, and it runs perfect. No pinging, no noise. You wouldn't even know. So anyway, it spends like 50 cents a gallon. I don't understand it. I even had oh gosh, years ago I had a Mitsubishi Eclipse Turbo, and it was supposed to use premium gas, and I never ever put premium gas in it, and I drove it for over 100,000 miles. And I don't use the BRP oil either. I just use full synthetic 4-stroke oil, motorcycle oil, for wet clutches. But you get it for like $8 a quart versus $15 a quart if you buy BRP oil. I do buy the filters with the O-rings though, and you have to. Gotta watch these guys. They're doing like 65. Whew, he pulled right on the front of him. Nice day though. It says it's 82 on my that thing here, but it's really 76. So that's, it's like 5 degrees off on this thing. And the gold wing's perfect. Matches my watch. I don't know why this thing's so far off. I bet every Spyder's that far off. 76 on my watch and 80, well 81 now. It dropped a degree. Bah. He said, well, hello there again, YouTube. This is a Poetry Ranch, which is pretty nice, kind of like our neighborhood, except it's just couple streets. The ones that are really nice have shops. Oh, that was nice too. Looks like they got a guest house on their shop too. Oh, don't know if this oh, this is going out. Let me back up. Go back where I was going. Let's turn around right here. Pretty nice neighborhood. Kind of like ours. The same kind of street, concrete, mailboxes like ours, acreage like ours. I got 2 acres. But this is a nice neighborhood, but it's too far out. It's kind of towards Forney. But the ones that are, there's a couple of them for sale. One of them's got a shop, but the other ones don't. A couple of them for sale out here. But it's too far. I don't know if it'll be too far out for my youngest son too, because we'd be watching his kids. So they got to go somewhere near us, like oh, what's it called down? A neighborhood like 6 miles from us. Oh, that was for sale. It's got a shop. It's pretty nice. Or an extra garage. Another one for sale here. It doesn't have a shop though. And this one's for sale up here that doesn't have a shop. Ooh, 2-story homes. I don't want a 2-story home. I left a 2-story home. The older you get, the harder it is to get up and down the stairs. I remember when we were young, my father-in-law said that, can you guys put in a railing up? And I'm thinking, oh, what for? Now I know, because I'm probably his age now and use the railings going up and down the stairs. So I get it now. No, they're long gone though. It's a nice neighborhood. I'm not going to go to Forney. Bye. Well, there's another neighborhood up here. I think it's called W. Let's see if it's up here. And I've been through there before. It's just like one long street for like a mile. This might be it. Looks like dark style homes with shops, and yeah, this might be it. Yeah, this is W. I'm gonna go in here. I've been in here before. Nice homes like ours and shops, but it's just, wow, somebody's building a splash pad pool like I got a splash pad pool. This is a pretty nice neighborhood too. Got shops, nice homes. Some acreage, maybe two acres. Some of them 3 maybe. So I forgot the street goes that way too. I usually get chased by dogs in some of these neighborhoods because they don't lock them up. Oh, that one's cool. It's got a little guest house by the pool. I like that. Which way? Oh, that's a dead end, so I'll go this way. Nope, both dead ends. So this is not a big neighborhood. I thought it was a lot bigger going down. So this is kind of like my neighborhood. I only got 3 streets in our neighborhood. This has got, yeah, kind of 2. See, they're nice homes. I thought I saw one for sale out here. Oh no, I saw a splash pad pool sign. I didn't see it coming in. They build a good pool. They built mine in oh gosh, probably, oh, I don't remember now, less than just a couple months. We were swimming. They broke ground, did rebar and gunite all in the same week. It's really cool. They did it fast. Of course, we didn't have to get a loan either, so that went really fast. I didn't see a splash pad sign here. A pool, maybe they finished it. Yeah, that's it. I'll turn it off once I get going. Bye. Well, now bye.